Okay guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to do a little known but very effective 2B2TQ skip. As you can see, I'm currently in place 404. The first step you want to do is go over to your computer. And if you see these two sticks, sometimes one, that's your RAM. Something I didn't go over while recording is that these have a certain serial number that tells 2B2TQ you are and what place to put you in the queue. So what you want to go ahead and do is just unclip them with these flips on the top. Sometimes you have to do it on two sides, my one you don't because I have a newer motherboard. While removing them, make sure you stay in the queue. Okay, so I've fully removed them from my PC now. There's none in the motherboard. So now you can go and disconnect from the server. And now you go ahead and put the RAM sticks back in your PC. In doing all of this, it resets the serial number on your RAM sticks and confuses 2B2T into which position you should be, putting you in place 0. Don't mind this black screen by the way, it's not anything magic or to cut anything out, it just took a lot of effort to put the RAM sticks back in. I had to put down my camera. Once that's done, you connect back to the server. And you should instant join like I did. It's official 2B2T, tab list and all, and official chat. While I slow down these last few frames in post, I just wanted to say that I hope this works for you and you enjoy your first, or if you have logged in before, your general playtime on 2B2T.